Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrots and T, and today we are going to talk about the lazy second side of your body when you're doing a Pique turn, right? So when we're doing traveling turns, and I'm going to say more with a Pique turn because I feel like I see it a bit more with a Pique turn. It's that second side of your body, that closing arm that doesn't quite get there sometimes, and it kind of, we feel like it's leaning back and then it messes up your turn. So we're going to talk about that today, that second side of the arm. So T is going to kind of show us what we're talking about. So T, do a few Pique turns, but let that left side kind of get stuck a little bit. Yeah, so you see how she's, and it's making her back twist, yes, right? Okay, so I see this happen like with dancers, this happens a lot on the left side, because I feel like a lot of dancers don't love doing left Pique turns. Me, not great with the left. Yeah, right, if I did a Pique turn, guaranteed, look, I just did it, see my leg, yeah. Okay. So, how do we fix that? What do we do? Okay, you have to really think about it mentally. If you've got all the other foundations about a Pique turn down, hopefully you understand you're stepping onto a straight supporting leg, the heel isn't buckling or anything, right? Then hopefully all you can do is really just worry about this second side. So when you start with your prep, so T, go into a preparation here. Come over a little closer. Let's go over here. Yeah, okay. So this second arm, right, all you really need to do is close it. That's it. But what happens is we forget about that and we just kind of let it hang out, or sometimes it even opens up too much or this. Okay, so all this has to do is go shoom and open and shoom. And when we open, we don't open too far, right? Okay, so T, let's do a couple of Pique turns and watch the left side of my body. Go ahead. Close, 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 right. Excellent, thank you, T. So, and also, right, when you're closing your arm, your hips go with you, which is what we want. We want the whole side of the body, the hips and the shoulders to go with us so that we can really rotate on that supporting leg really well. Thank you, T, you're awesome. Isn't she the best? She's the best. All right, guys, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. If you would like us to do any other tips and tricks for things, please let us know. And we would love to make more videos for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.